Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Lesson 3 of Nisab-us-Sarf is regarding Huruf Asliya and Huruf Zaida. Huruf Asliya are original letters, root letters, okay? Original letters, which are also called root letters. And Huruf Zaida are extra letters, which are not going to be the original letters. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So, for example, in the word kitabun, the original letters are kaf, ta, ba. They are going to be the huruf asliya, original letters. And the extra letters, huruf zaida, the alif is extra here. Okay, next. How do you identify huruf asliya and huruf zaida? It is first of all necessary to know the scale, the pattern of a kalima, of a word. The three letters selected by the scholars of Sarf for use as a scale of a word, for the scale of the word, are Fa, Ain and Lam. Which three letters are used?
Fa, Ain and Lam.
Correct. The scale of every word will have one Fa kalima, it will have one Ain kalima, and it will have one Lam kalima, or it might have two Lam kalimas, or it might have three Lam kalimas, okay? So it has one letter, one original letter, which is known as the Fa kalima, one original letter known as the Ain kalima, one original letter known as the Lam kalima, or it may have two original letters known as the Lam kalima, or three original letters known as the Lam kalima. So it can be the Huruf Asliya, original letters can be Fa, Ain, Lam, or they can be Fa, Ain, Lam, Lam, or they can be Fa, Ain, Lam, Lam, Lam. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So these are known as Huruf Asliya. Any extra letters which are in that word, other than these Huruf Asliya, original letters, they will be known as Huruf Zaida. Huruf
Zaida,
which are extra letters. What are they?
extra letters.
Yeah. For example, Daraba, the word Daraba is on the scale of Fa'ala. So what is the Fa kalima in Daraba? It is Dod. What is the Ain kalima in Daraba? Ra. What is the Lam kalima in Daraba? Ba. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So each letter of the word represents a kalima, either the Fa kalima, the Ain kalima, or the Lam kalima, and these are the Huruf Asliya, the original letters. Now, another word, for example, is Akrama. Akrama comes on the scale of Af'ala. So in this word, the alif at the beginning is Zaida, it is extra. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The alif at the start, the Hamza is Zaida, it is extra. It is not one of the three Huruf Asliya, it is a Huruf, it's a Harf Zaida, it's an extra letter. So what are the original letters in Akrama? What is the Fa kalima in Akrama? The Kaf. What is the Ain kalima here? Ra. What is the Lam kalima here? The Mim. What is the Lam kalima here?
The Mim.
The Mim. Okay. So if you follow that word, and then you can see, yeah, Akrama is on the scale of Af'ala. So you just substitute its original words with the Fa, Ain, Lam. Do you understand? So he mentions here a note. Look here now, this point one will tell you. On the scale, the letter which comes in the place of the Fa is called the Fa kalima. The letter which comes in the place of the Ain is called the Ain kalima. And the letter which comes in the place of the Lam is known as the Lam kalima. Do you understand now? So how these two examples worked. So how in Daraba, you have to identify which is the Fa, which is the Ain, and which is the Lam kalima. And then also in Akrama, you identify which is the Fa, the Ain and the Lam, and Akrama also has an additional Harf Zaida, which is the Alif at the start. Do you understand? Next, the second point to mention here is Huruf Zaida. There are 10 of them, which are put together in the following acronyms. Al-Yawma Tansahu. If you learn this, Al-Yawma
اليوم
تنساه.
تنساه.
Or this word, سألتمونيها.
سألتمونيها.
Correct. Now both of these, they have how many letters do they have in them? 10. So these 10 letters will be, let's just do it from the first one. There will be like Hamza, Lam, Ya, Waw, Mim, Ta, Noon, Sin, Alif, Ha. You understand? These 10 letters. So whenever there is a harf zaida, an extra letter in any word, the extra letter will always be one of these 10. And if there's more than one extra letter as well, they will also be from these 10. Alright?
Yeah.
Al-yawma tansahu, or you can say sa'altumuniha, to remember these 10 haruf zaida. Okay? These will be extra letters. They will be not from the haruf, they will not be from haruf asliya. They will not be from original letters. Alright?
Yeah.
What do original letters represent? The fa kalima, the ain kalima, or the lam kalima. But haruf zaida, an extra letter will be not the fa kalima, not the ain kalima, not the lam kalima. It will be something extra. And if it's going to be something extra, which letter will it be? One of these 10. Do you understand?